Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Sunday cleaning routine video. I am super excited. I always have a Sunday cleaning routine just because I like to start the new week out fresh, clean. I don't like having a dirty house to begin on a Monday morning. I like having all my laundry done, all my food bought and put in the fridge for that coming up week. This video is also in collaboration with my new friend I met here on YouTube. Her name is Laura Thomas, and that is also her channel name. I'm not going to talk too much about her, but I will go ahead and let her introduce herself. So here she is.
Hi everyone, Laura here. I'm super excited about this collaboration with Kristen. I've been wanting to get more into cleaning videos, and this is one that I'm so happy to be teaming up with Kristen on. I'm a motherhood channel also. I have a new 1-year-old, and she makes a lot of appearances in my videos, as well as my husband JT. And my channel is basically just sharing our daily lives. I'm a new mom, well, kind of new, and so I am just kind of navigating things as well. Audrey's here. She's trying to get in the video. Hey! But yeah, so after you get finished watching Kristen's video, please be sure and pop on over and check and see what we have. It's under Laura Thomas, and we'll be happy to have you as part of our YouTube family. Bye!
On this particular Sunday, I was actually home alone because my husband took my daughter to go to Sam's Club. So while they were gone, I like to just get as much clean possible as I can because it's easiest when you don't have a toddler going right behind you destroying everything. So here I am just doing laundry. I try to get all my laundry done that's in the house that needs to be cleaned just to start Monday off with all clean laundry in the house. The last few Sundays we have started a new tradition kind of, or at least for at the moment, where we wake up super early with Emma, we go out to breakfast, we go to the grocery store right away, and we're home and Emma's down for her first nap, all by 10:30. So that was me putting the rest of the groceries away, and then I always go through and I just take the leftovers that we did not eat from the week and I throw them away. I wipe my counters down throughout the week every single day, but on Sunday I like to take everything off my counters, get it completely bare, and just give it a good scrub in, wipe down the backsplash, and just clean everything really, really good. That way it's nice and completely clean. This pink grapefruit method cleaner is literally probably my favorite all-purpose cleaner right now, and if you guys have ever had it, then you should understand why I'm saying this. What is your guys' favorite all-purpose cleaner? Because I definitely absolutely love this. I have not tried any other since, but I have a feeling they're probably all really good. If you guys are wondering what this is, it is actually a sous vide cooker. and it's this, you can see the thing at the top. It just sits in a tub of water and it literally cooks your meat or whatever you put in there to the exact temperature all the way through. It is amazing. I love it. The food tastes great. I highly suggest that you get one. After we go grocery shopping every Sunday, I use this app called Ibotta. It is an app where you just go through and you get these rebates for all these items that you can buy normally at the grocery store or Target. There's all kinds of stores inside this app and you get money back. I think I've made $100 at this point and I've had it for less than a year. And all I do is I turn it into Target gift cards. It is literally the best thing. It's not even that time consuming. I will leave a link down below that you guys can go and check it out if you want to sign up. It's not sponsored or anything. I just absolutely love this app and wanted to share it with you guys. This is our toddy. It makes a whole canister of cold brew and that lasts us about a week, and me and my husband usually share it throughout the week. Last thing that I typically do on Sunday is we always take our sheets off, wash them, and put new sheets on. That way it's just a clean bed, and we usually do this every Sunday if we remember. If not, then it's every other week, but we try to do it every week. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys like these routine videos, then please give it a thumbs up. That way I know that I can continue to make these videos for you guys. I want to make videos that you guys like, and if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification, that way you know when I upload next. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and don't forget to stop by my friend Laura's channel and check out hers. Thanks, see you later.